In this quick guide, I'll show you how to install OptiFine for Minecraft January 21st, 10. Open your browser and go to optifine.net/downloads. Look for version 1.21.10. Find the OptiFine January 21st, 10 entry and click the blue download link next to it. On the redirect page, click skip after the add timer and then click the direct download link. Save the file as optifine_1.21.10.jar in your downloads folder for easy access. Confirm the file name and right-click the jar to choose Open With and select Java Runtime Environment. If a security prompt appears, allow the installer to run by choosing Run Anyway or Allow. The OptiFine installer window opens. Click Install to add OptiFine to your Minecraft profiles. Wait for the installer to confirm success, then click OK to close the installer window. Open the Minecraft launcher and select the profile labeled OptiFine January 21st, 10 from the versions list. Click Play. Once Minecraft loads, open Video Settings and verify OptiFine features are present. That's it. Enjoy improved performance and graphics. Check the on-screen links and file names shown now.